Hey G Squad, welcome back to the episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode is this cool amazing part right here in my hand, and basically what these are some bath sponges. They is also called loofahs. So the one that we got right here, it comes in a 3 set right here, and it's in different colors. There are some available that just want to get the same color. You can definitely go for that option available as well. But let's take it out to show you guys what the product looks like first. Alright, so the first one that we have right here is a white color design, and it feels really nice if you guys can see. Next one that we got right here, it looks kind of like a pinkish grayish color right here, which is pretty nice as well. It also feels really nice. And last and final one that we have right here is kind of like a gray color right here. So when you take out all 3 of them, this is basically what it looks like if you can see. Pretty high quality. So for this set, it comes in these 3 different colors right here. It actually makes it a lot easier for you guys to shower or bath or whatever you guys want to use these for. Like literally all you're going to do is just squirt a little bit of your body wash on here and actually produce a lot of foam and a lot of soap. So that way you guys don't have to use as much soap that you guys usually use without using one of these, which is pretty awesome. So I actually been using these for quite some time. I actually been loving a lot. I actually been using the black color one, and that works really well. So I'll probably show you guys how to actually use one of these, but I'll show you guys the black one because that's the one that I've been using almost every day. I've been loving it a lot, and these work the same way but just different colors if you can see right here. So I'm going to show you guys a quick test first, and then we'll come back and talk more about the product in a second. Alright, so this is basically what the product looks like right here. So let's give it a try and see how it works. So first thing I want to do is to get it wet a little bit first. Once it's all wet, then you guys actually put some soap on here. I'll put a little bit of soap on here. Alright, so I just put that much and it should be enough already. So you start to see that a lot of foam is starting to happen already from the soap. So when you guys are scrubbing yourself, you can go like this. Obviously, if you guys want to scrub all over your body for different body parts, you guys can definitely do that as well. You can see all the foam that creates on here, which is pretty awesome. Definitely a lot of foam, if you can see. Should last you guys for a while. But obviously, once you guys finish using it, you do want to clean it, so that way you can use it again next time. So let me turn on the water to show you guys how easy it is to clean it. So usually when I'm showering, I would use it to actually scrub myself while I'm cleaning, so that way it actually cleans a lot faster as well. See, almost all the foam is gone. Alright, so that should be good. There's no more foam inside right here, so it should be clean. So what you guys want to do now, once you guys finish washing it, is to hang it somewhere and let it air dry. So I'm actually bringing it over here to show you guys what I mean. Alright, so we got it right here. So I have a thing where I can hang it right here. So I just put it like that. Then I'm all set, and I can just leave it there and let it air dry until the next day when I use it again. So that's basically how you guys use the product itself. Pretty straightforward and very easy to use. Alright, welcome back guys. So now you guys saw the quick test of the product itself, and definitely see it actually works pretty well. Super easy to use because literally all you guys need to do is do one squirt on here, and that should give you guys enough soap to use all over your body for one full wash. But that's basically how you guys use these bath sponge or loofahs. Obviously there's a lot of other ones available out there in the market. Whether you guys get from this brand or another brand, that's up to you guys. And like I mentioned, they have other colors available. So whether you guys decide to get these colors or the other colors, that's up to you guys. But they all work really well. Now that we can unboxing and test the product itself, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this product in particular, I definitely have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want more than need one of these. Especially if you guys want to save soap and don't want to use so much soap, then these are definitely super worth it. But then obviously for those guys who don't want one or don't need one or have used one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys, so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.